So here I am,
Baby
baby Nolan, and you are overdue, and I want you out.
Look at that big belly. Hey, how big is Mommy's belly?
Big.
How big is Mommy's belly?
Big.
What do we say to the baby?
Can we go give Mommy's belly a hug?
Ha.
Go give it a hug.
What do you call the baby?
Baby Owen. Ha. Ha. Ha.
Your turn, Corbin.
I'll give him a hug.
Yeah, baby.
And what do you say to the baby?
Oh.
Say, baby, out.
Out. Day.
Out and play, right? You excited to be have another little brother?
Yeah.